Okay, let me mic up. I've been having trouble with that here lately for some reason. I guess because I'm not used to using it. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Sorry for the technical difficulties. What would life be without them? Good morning, Cravers. It's your girl Puddin' coming at you with another video. It's early in the morning, y'all, and I woke up craving some shrimp, sausage, and eggs. So let's get to it. I've already said my prayer off camera because my blessing is between me and the Lord. Or my prayers between me and the Lord. I don't know. It's early, y'all. I'm telling you what. I had a crazy night last night. And I just woke up hungry. Hungry. So, of course, I wanted my own cooking because I love the taste. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I gotta have my hot sauce and syrup on my eggs. Guess you gotta balance that out. I did good. All right. Oh, shoot. This is so good and refreshing. Exactly what I wanted. Okay. Because I don't care where I would have went this morning. They wasn't going to do it like me. Okay. Y'all know I mess with the Aldi citrus. Get it in, baby. Got my water. Hey, y'all. I'm trying to tell you that cup be getting me through some hard times. That cup is a rider. My best friend always got something to say about my cup. But that cup is a rider. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to relax for a little bit. And I got to get my day going. Oh, there's more room. I didn't even know I need to make room yet. I just got started. Ooh, I just got started. I'm using natural light this morning, y'all. If y'all can tell, like the sun is shining early. It's bright. So excuse me if it's not, the lighting is not good, or if it's dark or shady or something. I always have lighting issues anyway, y'all know. That's how life goes. Something always going wrong, but you know we're going to get through these videos together. Mmm. Mmm. Yup. We'll get through these videos together, y'all. For those who are new, welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Go ahead and hit that bell. Become part of the Crave Squad. Okay? We would love to have you. I'd love to have you. So, I love the feeling of support, baby. Support. But, you know, just subscribe if you like the content. If you like me, my personality, what I'm smacking on, then you can subscribe, okay? I'm not forcing nobody. I don't want nobody forcing me. I notice people subscribe. They tell you, oh, support back, subscribe back. And then when I don't, they unsubscribe to me. It's like, well, if you don't like me in the first place, don't subscribe. Like, what the fuck? I only want the real. And that's the people that really like me. I'm trying to do this YouTube thing the right way, okay? Just giving you what I got. I hope y'all can see my plate. I hope y'all can see that shrimp. I don't even know. But it's fire. Oh, man. Oh my God, this is so good. Guys, y'all should put some ranch dressing seasoning on your shrimp. For some reason, it just brings out that flavor oh so well. I'm struggling. I want to get all my shrimp, okay? Don't be playing no games over here. No man left behind. Okay? We make more room over here. We provide food, shelter. And so, you think this is, I won't pull that out. I can't even see it. It's all good. This is just a little quick one. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Did y'all see that shootout? Did y'all see that shootout? Oh my God, that shot out and hit the camera. I don't know if y'all seen that. Wow. That is so fire. Y'all, eggs go with anything, I'll tell you what. I don't know, in my book. I can eat eggs with chicken, steak, shrimp, boiled, scrambled, fried, whatever. Oh, the creation. This is my last one. I can't stop eating them. Yes, yes, yes. So fire. That last one came out just right. I thank y'all for sitting with me, watching me, eating with me. Drop it down below what you're eating on. Y'all put y'all breakfast together. Whatever you want. No matter how bizarre. You deserve to eat what you craving. I gotta go back and get him. See y'all in the next video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye.